What is up, everybody? My name is Jack Billings, and I am the CEO and founder of Shed Knives. Today, we're going to be opening and reviewing a military M.R.E. Be sure to stay till the end of the video. An M.R.E. or meal ready to eat is a self-contained individual field ration in lightweight packaging used by the U.S. military. M.R.Es are designed to be used in combat or other field conditions where traditional food preparation may not be possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and prepare an M.R.E. and give you a sneak peek of what's inside. So let's get started. First off, we have menu number 14, ratatouille, vegetarian, mixed vegetables, and penne. Now, I have to say, I am not a vegetarian, and I definitely am not a big fan of vegetables here, but I figured I'd try it out, so let's get into it. Now, the first step in opening an M.R.E. is to locate the notch at the top of the packaging. This notch is designed to make it easier to open the packaging without a knife or scissors. Simply tear the packaging open at the notch and the contents inside will be revealed. But because this is a knife channel, of course we have to open the thing with a knife, because why not? This is a knife channel. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the M.R.E. Here's a rundown of the typical contents of all M.R.Es, and then I'll also mention what's inside here. First, we have the main entree. This is the main course of the meal, usually a meat-based dish like beef stew, chili, or spaghetti, but because this is the vegetarian one here, we have mixed vegetables. The side dish of the M.R.E. Usually includes a side dish which has rice, pasta, or potatoes. This one does not seem to have a side dish, but I know a few others that do. Snacks. The M.R.E. may also include snacks like crackers, peanut butter, or trail mix. This one here has raisins, has a nice pack of raisins. It also has crackers and peanut butter. Dessert. To satisfy your sweet tooth, the M.R.E. usually includes a dessert like cookies, cake, or candy. Now, this one here has a pound cake, which is actually pretty good. Beverages. The M.R.E. includes a powdered beverage mix, which can be used to make coffee, tea, or other drinks. This one here has coffee, but also has a dairy shake. Accessories. The M.R.E. also includes accessories such as utensils, napkins, and condiments like salt, pepper, hot sauce, other accessories like matches, toilet paper, tissue, that sort of thing. This one has most of that here. The toilet paper or tissue, whichever one it is, you can definitely use that to help start a fire. Yes, the matches are nice, but sometimes you need something that is easy to light and is very dry, so that's definitely a good one there. Preparing an M.R.E. is simple. First, locate the heater pouch included in the packaging. Add water to the heater pouch, which you see I'm doing here because I forgot to bring water with me. So I had to go to the river or the creek and fill up the water bottle there. Add water to the heater pouch up to the fill line and place the main entree inside. Be sure to not pass the line. I'm not sure why, but do not pass the line. It is very clear, do not pass the line. So just don't pass it. Fold the heater pouch over and let it sit for a few minutes until the food is heated through. On the pouch, it says you should lay the pouch over with the heater pad on the bottom for approximately 1 minute or until the heater pad starts getting warm. Then you flip it vertically and keep that top sealed. Now, I was having a hard time getting this thing warm. I'm not sure what happened, but I used my knife clip on my Kershaw here to help close the top of the container, or to close the top of the bag, and that helped keep it closed for quite a bit. In conclusion, the M.R.E. is a convenient and versatile meal option for those in the military or anyone who enjoys outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or hunting. With its wide range of contents and simple preparation process, the M.R.E. is a great choice for those on the go. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.